Untitled Chapter family!
So today is a super special day.
We're taking Meeka. Yeah, in the plane.
We're taking her on our airplane for the first time ever and we're super excited. This trip is super special because we are taking Meeka to go see snow for the first time ever and we are so excited. Now, Meeka does have to behave while she's on the airplane. She can't be acting up. You guys know how she likes to howl.
Are you going to be a good girl? Yes, I know.
You will be?
You will try? No, you have to. You have to be the best girl, okay? Yes. Yes, I know, I love you too, yes.
Alright guys! Hey, we got Meeka's suitcase. Just kidding, this is our whole suitcase just for us, all of us. Are you ready? Yes? Alright, let's go! Let's go! Yes, let's go! Alright, we made it to the airport. Come on, Meeka, let's go! Yay!
Hi, this is Mayor Jane Castro.
Meeka, where are we going?
Thank you for visiting the into our residence.
Where are we going, Meeka?
We are approaching the main terminal and air.
Alright, so we're gonna just check our baggage in with Meeka. She's really excited. Thank you. Alright, Meeka, let's go. So we got our boarding passes, and now we're gonna go walk to the gate. Meeka, you have to be good, baby. They're gonna kick you off. You're so excited, Meeka. Oh my gosh. It's okay, baby. Yay, Meeka. She's a pro at these now. So we're about to go through security. Come on, Meeka. They have to look at you to make sure you don't have anything dangerous. Hang on, Meeka. Hang on. Hang on, baby. All right, so Meeka just got patted down. Come on, Meeka, come here. Just walk and Daddy hold her, and then she just came to us. So Meeka just went through security. She was such a good girl.
Daddy, let's go.
All right, let's go. Meeka, go to Daddy.
Come on. Come on.
Take her leash. Oh, sorry. All right, Meeka, let's go. Done with security. Now we're gonna walk to the gate, the flight gate. Come, Meeka. Good girl, Meeka. Yeah. Are you ready to get on the plane? Yes. Oh. Don't be nervous, baby. You'll be good. Meeka. Hi. Daddy's gonna go get you some water, Meeka, okay? I know. Literally, there's not even water fountains in the airport anymore because of COVID. So he's gonna have to just go buy some for Meeka. Look, there's Daddy with the water. Yay.
No coffee.
No coffee, Meeka.
Here. No coffee. No?
All right, come on, Meeka. Let's drink some water. Come here.
Meeka.
She wants your coffee. She doesn't even want the water. She wants the coffee.
This one. This one.
She doesn't want that one.
This one. Coffee is mine. This one.
No, I don't know why she likes the coffee today.
Meeka, stay.
Yeah. She need to pick me up.
Hey.
Yeah.
Meeka, it's coffee.
Yes, Daddy's
Wait,
getting
wait,
it,
wait.
Meeka. Hang on.
Meeka, look. Wait.
Wait. Here, just put it up. Oh my gosh. Hang on, Meeka. Hang on. Hang on, baby. You're gonna spill it. Yay, Meeka. Spit up all over his pants. No, baby.
That's for that. No coffee. That's for that.
Meeka, it's time to board. You ready? You ready? Come on, Meeka, let's go. Come on. Our boarding passes, Meeka. Hang on. Come on. All right, Meeka. Go on, baby. Go on. Go on.
What seats are
Are you ready? You ready to go? You ready? You're ready?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, she's
Sit down.
scared.
Yeah, come
You'll be okay, baby.
on. No. Come on.
Oh.
Come on. Hey. Yeah, good girl.
Good girl, Meeka. So you have to ride down there, baby, okay?
Yes. You're not allowed here.
Nope, you have to stay down
No?
here. Yeah,
Yes,
good girl. So for the dog safety, they have to sit on the floor. And they're actually supposed to lay down. So she's gonna lay down once we get comfortable. Right now she still wants daddy's coffee. Doing, Meeka? What are you doing down there? Good girl. All right, Meeka, they're closing all the doors now. Yeah? You want another treat? Yeah? You want another one? Yes. Good girl. Good girl. All right, that's enough for now, baby.
We can take it off.
4-door exit main cabin, 2 forward in the wing, 2 out in the wing, which is equipped with evacuation.
You ready, Meeka?
Automatic lumen operation, and the slides on the forward and aft.
Ready to go
doors may
up?
be used as ramp. Overhead bins located on the safety information card. Rest your mounts before assisting a child or another passenger, and although oxygen is supplying, the bag may not inflate. Better aviation regulations require passenger compliance.
We're taking off,
information
Meeka.
signs posted by
Yay!
and crew member instructions, including information on seat from the nearest
Look,
oxygen
Meeka.
mask. Make sure to adjust your mask before helping those around you. Also, if you don't have headphones, your devices must be silent. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and
It's okay, Meeka. You'll be okay. You're fine. Sit down.
Yeah.
You're okay, baby.
Let's go.
Look, babe, she's hiding. she's
Hiding?
She's hiding.
Why?
Why are you hiding, baby? We're taking off, Meeka. We're taking off. Yay. Oh, big yawn. That the plane has taken off, Meeka has been able to just relax and lay down, and she is doing so good. He's pretending to sleep so Meeka sleeps. Hey, what are you doing? Are you letting my poop? What are you doing? Oh, we're almost there, baby. We're almost there. Oh my gosh. What? What? Looking at daddy? We're almost there. Yes. We're almost there. Like 20 more minutes, baby. Yeah, like 20 more minutes, okay? No, baby, get down. Get down. Get down. You have to go down, baby. You can't sit up here. Go on, sit down. Good girl. You made it! Good girl! Sit down. Sit down, Meeka. Meeka, sit down. Shh. We're getting off in a second. No, Meeka, stop. Sorry. I did so good on her first flight. Oh my goodness, thank you guys so much for coming along with us. We're out with Meeka now, gonna let her go to the bathroom before we get our lift, and then we can go see some snow. Meeka is so excited. Meeka's waiting for her ride, right, Meeka? To see snow? Yes. Here, we made it. We made it to our little cabin. You do? I love you too.
Most beautiful flower. You are the most beautiful flower. Yes.
You do? I love you too.
Most beautiful flower. You are the most beautiful flower. Yes.